Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to lock your applications or even your photos on your Samsung phone. So to do this, you need to create something called a secure folder. So let's go back. And with this secure folder now, this is going to hide those apps under this folder so you can't see what they are or anything. And then you need to scan it with your thumb or your finger or use some sort of unlock pin. Now once in here, you can see everything I have. It's just some gallery and contacts and stuff like that. So if you hide an item, it should display under here. So if you were to hide a contact, that only contact will be in this hidden folder. Same thing for gallery. So to set this up, it's very easy. Let's scroll on down from the top right, go to settings. Now on our Samsung phone, we're looking for the biometrics and security. So let's choose this. Then go on down to where it says secure folder. And you're going to need to type in your Samsung password. And once you do that, it will create a security folder. So if you go in here now, you can choose your lock type. I have pattern and fingerprint to unlock. You got apps right here. You can choose the apps you want to go ahead and place in here. So it might take a little bit of time to load. And so these are the apps. Then we can go back, and then we got account, backup, restore, more settings. So you got all these different settings in here. You can modify it a little bit more than you want. But once you have the secure folder, you can just place it somewhere on your home screen and then open it up. And it's only going to relock when you lock your phone. Now, if you want to add an application or a folder, you see these options on the bottom. We can just go to add app, and then you can just choose the app under here. Otherwise, go to add file. You can add music, and here's video folders. Here's images. So if you want to add an image, let's go to this. So let's choose this, go to done. And then you can decide if you want to move it, copy it. So let's move it over here. So it's not going to be in my gallery anymore, or it shouldn't at least. And then it should be in this gallery. So it looks like I took a picture of this fridge that was apparently broken at my parents' house. And that should be hidden now under this folder. So you can do this with contacts. You just have to hide the contact. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.